Hi guys, this is Bhaskar Berry. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As part of this video, we're going to cover about the conversion functions which are used in SQL Server. Okay, in the conversion function, basically we have two types, convert and cast. Apart from that, we also have like implicit conversion function and explicit conversion functions. The implicit conversion functions will automatically taken care by the SQL Server, but when we want to specify the explicitly, we use these functions. One is convert and other is cast. Both the functions converts a value of any type into a specified data types. And when we move to the syntax for the functions, the syntax for convert we have is a convert data type length expression comma style. So what do you mean by the data type here is this field is mandatory, and this data type can be any of the data types existing in SQL Server like int, small int, tiny, decimals, float, varchars, text. And this length is mainly applicable for the varchar, the string types characters, varchar, text, nchar, or a binary. So those times we use this length, but it's an optional for the other types. And for the expression, this is also mandatory because this expression is like the value here which is shown below here, 3.56. That's an expression. It comes under that. These expressions to be converted to any data type. This data type will be mentioning here, and the value should be mentioned here. And the style is optional again. This is generally used to format the between two data types, which can be used basically for the string formats or the date formats, which we are going to use. I'll show you the later in example. And the cast also does the same operations, but only thing, the difference is the syntax is slightly different. Here we have the first expressions uh, as data type. So this expression is mandatory, by the way here, and the data type which you can convert can be of any type, like same similar to that, like small int, float, varchar, datetime, anything that. And the length is optional. Mainly it's used for the resulting data like character varchar and varchar binary or where binary. Okay. Um, uh, so this is just a overview of the cast and convert theory. Let's go to the practical and see how this can be achieved. Okay. So for converting, we need select. So convert. So you already know the convert function which we have. First we need to give is the type which we need, the data type. So for example, I'll be giving the same one which I pasted in the slide, int, comma, 3.67. Just giving the alias name for that. Okay. So it is 3 here since I converted to int. So similarly, let's see for the cast expression also, we should get the same result. Only thing the syntax is slightly different here. So instead of data type first, we'll be giving the expression first here as int. Okay. Okay, we are getting the same value. Similarly, we can do it for the float as well. Float, comma, 3 point. Just alias name. So you can see this. Let's set this L2. Okay, so I am declaring a simple value here, variable, and assigning the type varchar and setting the value as 123.345 as a string value. So I want to convert this string value to a this varchar value to a float type. So let me give this value here, and then run it. Okay, now you can see this. This is converted to a float from string. Similarly, we can also do it in the cast function. Float. Okay. Okay. So you can see this. This is all converted to same thing. Similarly, we can convert the this float type to varchar as well, the other way around. So convert to varchar, comma, yes, the size as well, the length of that, how much it should be there. Suppose let me consider it as 2. Okay, so this is not able to convert because we are losing some information here because of this type. So that's the reason we are getting that error there. Okay, so similarly you can do it for cast as well. Okay, and let's see if some one example for date as well. Select, convert, sorry, and let the expression value be this one. Yes. Okay. So you don't see the difference here because both are getting the same thing. So let me change this one to uh, some this format. So now you see this timestamp as set as 00 here. Since you're converting to datetime, this is only date here. So that's how this can be done. Let's see for the cast function as well. Okay. So this is all like individually I've done. Let me show you the actual tables itself. Okay. So we have any date column. Yeah, we have modified date column. Let's see here. Let's select. So for this, let's convert the modified date, comma, convert. We need to have the data type. So let's specify data type as varchar, alias name for the column. Okay. So here you can see that it is converted to string this type. And if we suppose if we mention the size as well, the length of that, let me give it as 5. Let's see what happens. So you are able to see only this 5 here. Let me increase it to 6. Okay, you're able to see this. So let me change to 11. So we are seeing only the month, day, year. Okay, so this is the one of the this is how we can use it in the physical tables also. So similarly, we can do it for the cast function as well. Only thing is the syntax is different. Okay, see, you don't see any difference here because both are the same. So this is how you can use it, guys, in your wherever you want to use this conversion functions. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel.